Yes, just another box. Where is it from? Yep, Omaha Steaks. So let me get a knife and cut this bad boy open. It's really not that. Yeah, all right. Not too hard. Let's see what we got. Let me see. Alright, throw that to the side. Let's see what we got. Immediate reply request. Okay. This is something new. They never gave me this before. It usually just be a whole bunch of stupid support the troops. Some more advertisement. Oh, this is the stuff that they always send me. A lot of the stuff in here don't be too great. They always give me a gift card though, little voucher for some wine. Got a whole bunch of those. I need to post those so people that want to use those can. Okay, so I'll take everything out and I'll show you what I got. So this one came with just for me ordering, this came free. So I didn't pay for this. This came with pretty much the coupon and free shipping. So that was cool. Now then, let's see what this is. Natural, what does it say? Kielbasas. Okay, so these are kielbasa sausages. What is this? Oh, chicken and dumplings. My favorite. This is right here. Omaha Grill Steakhouse Chili. Sounds good. So one of these is going to be 8 today. Beef shepherd pie. Sounds good. This might be the jambalaya. I'm guessing. Jambalaya with rice, chicken, sausage, and shrimp. Awesome. That's going to be good. Let's see what else we got. And this is chicken fettuccine, and I think this is fettuccine also again. Yep. So, big old thing of dry ice. I love putting water on that, but this time I'm gonna just throw it away. If anybody sees this, you could use that. If you guys ever want to try HelloFresh, they have some pretty, I'm not gonna lie, their ingredients are super fresh. They don't call it HelloFresh for nothing. So yeah, if you guys see that, maybe I'll post it in the video so you guys can make sure. But whoever gets it first come, first serve. So $30 off. And that's pretty much the whole box. All right. Hopefully you guys, if you guys ever want to order anything off of here, let me know. Maybe I could send you like a confirmation to get maybe like some more money off or something, or I could just show you like the little tricks of how to get the best bang for your buck. All right, you guys have a good one. Look at this. I got everything to inside. So I've been ordering from these guys for a while. Omaha Steaks, let me know if you guys are interested in their food. It's called omahasteaks.com. Yeah, they got a lot of good stuff. Let me know if you guys like it, because you know, I get the discounts on all this stuff. You know, I gotta help each other out, right? So the reason why I like this company is because they ship everything, and they usually give you free shipping, and everything comes, all the food has dry ice in it. So if it was to sit while you were at work on your doorstop or in front of your porch, hopefully nobody takes your package, but you know how that's been going on. A lot of people's packages been getting taken. But so what happens is this thing could probably last for maybe a full 24 hours with just the dry ice in there. They package it pretty well. So actually, let me put this down so then I can show you guys everything that it comes that's inside. Let me sit this down. This little tripod thing is too cool. Yeah, it's too cool. Too cool for school. Perfect. So now I see where I'm at. All right. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Let me see. Let me try to put it up a little bit more. There we go. All right. Buenos días. Buenos días, amigas, amigos. So boom. 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 That's just one box. So let's see real quick what it is. This one is, this one is, let's see. Yeah, this one is the Tex-Mex style sauce, beans, and plamos onions with chicken. This one is chicken picante. I don't even know if I ordered that. I don't even know if I ordered. Oh, I think that was the extra stuff. So like when you buy stuff on there, you got you accumulate points, and then you can add different stuff. Roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Let's see what else. Last box. I didn't want to get too much. I didn't want to order too much at one time because I got roommates, so we all share the refrigerator. So I didn't want to, you know, take up all the space. So I didn't order too much. Trust me, I wanted to order more, but I couldn't. So this one is chicken and dumplings for, this one is actually for the crock pot. Chicken and dumplings. And then this other one is mac and cheese with seasoned beef, brisket, and pork. And what is this one? This other one is caramel apple tartlets. Very good. Like in the morning time, perfect. Warm one of those bad boys up. Ground beef burgers, steak burgers. And then we have Asian style pepper steak. Very good. Let's see, let me open one up so you guys can see it, because I'm gonna have to take it out of these boxes anyways. So it comes packaged, and this is gonna be, this one is for like a, what is that? The type of pot that you cook it in, like a skillet pot. So yeah, trash. Oh. There's the dry ice. Might play. You know how you can play around with the dry ice, right? Yeah. Be careful. Don't let that touch your skin. But they got it packaged in plastic, so don't let kids play with it. Definitely not. So yeah, that's everything. So I got this other stuff. I'm gonna throw it in the trash. Everything else you've seen. And thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions for about anything that I ordered from Omaha Steaks, let me know. I can show you anything you want to know. All right, bye.
On everybody, hey, so I'm just letting you guys know that I usually buy a lot of stuff from this company called Omaha Steaks, and so what I did was I got their crock pot meal a couple times, pretty good. And so now what I did was I tried their skillet meal, which you can see I'm cooking right now. This one is called this one is beef and mushroom confit. I can't pronounce it. You guys see it. And so I'm gonna try this one out. I have tried one of their meals before. So if anybody is interested in Omaha Steaks, yeah, let me know in the comments or in the description. Just leave a comment. I'll get back to you, and I'll show you like some of the prices, and I tell you some of the things that I've ordered, and I'll let you know if they're even worth buying. I could tell you. So I actually called the company one day and let them know like a little bit of feedback of some of the orders that I received, and some of the stuff that I liked and I did not like. But majority of the stuff I liked, and a lot of the stuff that I get from them is like so I used to have a company back in the day where I was really big on the online shopping, save money on online purchases and stuff of that nature. And one of the partnering companies was Omaha Steaks. And just so you know, the name of that company that I used to be with was called shop.com. I am not formally with them anymore. Great company. Won't speak bad about them at all. I don't really have anything bad to say about them. It's just that that company, or just being in a business of that magnitude, was not for me at the time of my life. So yeah, as you can see that this one has beef. This one has, I think these are wild mushrooms. I'm not too sure, but I love mushrooms. I don't care what mushrooms they are. So this is yeah. So I'm gonna eat this for lunch right now. So pretty much it comes in a bag. You just put, so when you store it, you just store it in the freezer. And I mean, it's literally once you're ready to cook it, you just take it out of the bag. You throw it in on a skillet, a teaspoon of olive oil in the pan, and you just cook it on medium for I think it said for like 6 to 8 minutes. It's up to you. Make sure you cook it to your specific choice. It comes with so once it's almost done, then I have this. This is something that you got to warm up. It's a sauce, and once the sauce is so you have to put the sauce in hot water, and once it's done, once the skillet meal is done, you pour this over it, and then it's gonna be ready to eat. So very quick, very quick. And I'll let you know that the shipping, I had no problems with their shipping. It comes in a big, you'll see the box on the other video when I post this video. So like I said, if you guys have any, and just so you know, when I got them, yeah, just ask me a lot of questions, and I'm gonna try to give you as much information, because the meal that I bought, this skillet actually came, this is a brand new skillet, pretty good. Let me see if you guys can see under there. Pretty good skillet. Really high quality. Ceramic, non-stick, of course. This handle is rubber, very comfortable, easy grip, and it's like, I think it's like a 8-inch skillet. Yeah, small, little small, medium one. But just the fact that it comes with you know, with the meal was pretty awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more of the things that I bought. All right, you guys have a good one.